Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Real Talk English. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you're here. Today, we have something very useful, something you can use in real life every day. We will listen to 5 simple conversations about buying things in everyday life. Buying clothes, buying food, buying shoes, buying coffee, and buying school supplies. All conversations are slow, clear, and perfect for A1 to A2 learners. As you listen, don't worry. Relax. Let the English enter your ears and let your brain learn naturally. Are you ready? Let's begin with Conversation 1. Hello, excuse me. Do you have t-shirts? I need one.
Hi, yes we do. Welcome. We have many colors. What do you like?
White or blue? Something simple. Not big patterns. I like simple.
Good, I understand. White is very popular. Blue's also nice. What size are you?
Medium, I think. Maybe small, I'm not sure. I usually wear medium.
Let me show you both sizes. Here is the small. Here is the medium. They are different. You can try them.
Thank you. Where is the changing room? I want to try both.
Over there on the left. You see? The door with the mirror? Go ahead.
This small is too tight. Very tight. I don't like this.
Too tight, yes? Let me see. Yes, it is small. Try the medium now.
Okay. Oh, this is much better. Very good. Not tight, comfortable. I like this one. How much is it?
This one is 15 euros. Good quality, very popular this season.
15 euros? Is it on sale today? Any discount?
No, not today. But look, if you buy 2, it is 25 euros together. Only 12 euros 50 each.
2? I need only one now. Just one. One medium in white.
Okay, no problem. 1 white medium. Anything else?
No, just this. Can I use my card?
Of course, we take card, no problem. Visa, MasterCard, all cards.
Great.
Perfect. Here is your receipt. The bag or no bag?
Yes, one bag, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a beautiful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Good afternoon. Excuse me, where is the bread? Fresh bread.
Hello. Bread is in aisle 3. Right there. We have dark bread, white bread, whole grain. Very fresh today.
Thank you. And the vegetables? Where's that?
In the back, you see? The back left. Very fresh vegetables. Yes. Every day new.
Good. And milk? Where's milk?
The milk? That's in the cold section, right side. You see the big refrigerator? There.
Okay, thank you. So many. German bread, Italian bread, white bread. What is good?
The dark bread is very good. I take this every day. Very healthy.
Thank you. Yes, I take this. Are these tomatoes fresh? Good quality?
Yes. Very fresh. From the farm yesterday. Very red, very good.
Perfect. And this, what is this green? Spinach?
Yes, spinach. Fresh. This morning only.
Great. 1 spinach, please. Okay, milk. Which milk? Cow milk? So many.
This one is good. Very popular. not expensive.
Thank you. And cheese. Do you have easy cheese? Not hard?
Soft cheese? Here. Mozzarella, feta, cream cheese, all soft and fresh.
Feta. I like feta. How much is this?
€4.50.
Good. I take this.
Hello, how are you today?
Good. Thank you. Just some food for dinner tonight.
Dark bread, tomatoes, spinach, milk, feta cheese. That is €18.75, please.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Do you want a bag, plastic, or paper?
Paper, please. I have a bag, but I need this. Paper is good.
Here you go. 2 bags. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Hi. Hello. I need shoes for walking. I walk a lot to work. Every day.
Welcome. Nice to see you. What can I help? What kind of shoes?
Walking shoes. Comfortable for rain and cold. Not too hard. Soft and warm inside.
Yes. For winter, yes. We have many good shoes. What size are you?
Size 38. I think maybe 37 or 38. I'm not sure.
Let me check. Here. You sit. Try this size 38 first.
Okay, it fits. But the back is a little hard. Not very comfortable. Do you have something softer?
Yes. Try this one. Very soft. Very comfortable. Many people like this.
Okay, I try this. Yes, this is much better. Very comfortable. Inside is warm. I like this. What colors do you have?
This is brown. We also have black and dark gray. Black is very popular. Dark gray is nice too. What do you prefer?
Black, I think. Easy to keep clean. Easy to wash?
Yes, black is good.
Okay, I want the black one. How much is this?
€65. Very good price. Very good shoes. Last a long time.
€65? Is there discount for today?
Today, no discount. But the shoe is very good quality. I promise.
Okay, €65 is good. I take the black.
Excellent. Size 38, black. You want me to box them or you wear now?
I wear now. Outside is very wet.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Good morning. Can I sit here? This table is free.
Yes. You sit. Here's the menu. What's your drink?
Thank you. I want coffee. What kind do you have?
We have espresso, cappuccino, latte, macchiato. What's you like?
What is cappuccino?
Cappuccino is espresso with hot milk. Very popular, very good. You like milk?
Yes, I like milk. Okay, 1 cappuccino. Small, please. Not too big.
Small cappuccino. And food? Breakfast?
What do you have? I'm in a little rush.
We have croissant, pain au chocolat, bread, jam, all fresh this morning.
Pain au chocolat? What is this?
This one, French bread. Inside is chocolate.
I see. Chocolate inside? Yes, this sounds good. 1 pain au chocolat.
Okay, one cappuccino small and one pain au chocolat. You sit here? Yes?
Yes, I sit. But how long? Fast? I need to go to work soon.
5 minutes, maybe 7. Not long. I make cappuccino now. You relax.
Okay, thank you.
Here, one cappuccino and one pain au chocolat. Be careful. It's hot. Very hot.
Ah, so good. Very good.
Yes, you like?
Yes, very much. How much is everything?
Cappuccino is €3. Pain au chocolat, €2.50. Total, €5.50.
Here is €6. You keep the change. Thank you.
Thank you. You come again, yes?
Yes, goodbye.
Have a nice day at work. Hello, excuse me. I need notebooks. For school. New classes start Monday.
Hi, welcome. Notebooks? Yes, we have many. What kind you need?
I need a big one with many pages.
A notebook with many pages. Yes, we have 100 pages, 200 pages, 300 pages. What you want?
How much?
100 pages is €2. 200 pages is €3.50. 300 pages is €5.
I take 200 pages. 2 of them.
2 notebooks, 200 pages each. Good choice. And pens?
Yes, pens. I need black pens for writing. Not expensive. Simple.
Black pens. Here, these are very good. €1 each. Or 5 pens, €4. Very cheap.
5 pens. But I need only 2, maybe 3, not 5.
Okay.
I take 3. 3 black pens.
3 black pens. Good. And a pencil? For drawing or math?
Yes, pencil. Do you have pencil for soft lines and hard lines?
This is soft. Dark lines. This is hard. Light lines.
I like dark lines, 1 soft pencil, and a ruler.
Here, 30 centimeters, €2.
Good. I take 1. And do you have highlighters? Yellow, pink?
Yes, highlighter. Here, all colors. Yellow, pink, green, blue, orange. What color?
Yellow and pink.
2 highlighters. Good. Anything else?
No, I think that's all. How much is everything? Total?
Let me count. 2 notebooks at €3.50 each. That is €7. 3 black pens at €1. That is €3. 1 soft pencil, €1. 1 ruler, €2. Highlighters yellow and pink, €1.50 each. That is €3. Total is €16.
16 euros? Okay. Can I use my card?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Good luck with classes.
Thank you. Goodbye. And that's the end of today's Real Talk English lesson. You listened to 5 everyday conversations about shopping, and you learned many useful words for real life. If it feels difficult, that's okay. Just listen again. Each time you listen, the English becomes clearer, easier, and more natural. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I'm proud of you. You are improving little by little every day. More simple English stories and conversations are coming soon. Until next time, keep learning. keep smiling. And take good care of yourself. See you soon. Bye-bye.